Hey Roblox enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super fun and creative. How to create a custom shirt in Roblox for 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to personalize your avatar or an aspiring developer wanting to sell your designs, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Roblox keeps evolving, and with the latest updates, making shirts is easier than ever. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Head over to the Roblox website or fire up Roblox Studio. That's your gateway to creation. Once you're in, navigate to the Create tab. This is where all the action happens. Now, for step 1. Prepare your design. You'll need an image file, like a PNG. That's exactly 512 by 512 pixels for the best results. Use free tools like Canva or Photoshop to whip up something cool. Think your favorite pattern, logo, or even a meme. Step 2. Upload your image. In the Create section, go to Decals or Assets and select the option to upload a new file. Roblox will process it quickly, so hang tight. Once it's uploaded, move to Step 3. Head to the Shirts or Apparel Creator Tools. Here, you can select your uploaded image and apply it to a shirt template. Customize the colors, add text if you want, and preview how it looks on an avatar. Don't forget Step 4. Test it out. Jump into a Roblox game or the studio's preview mode to see your shirt in action. Make adjustments if needed, like fixing any pixelation or alignment issues. Finally, for Step 5, publish your creation. Give it a catchy name, write a fun description, and decide if it's free or for sale in the Roblox marketplace. And there you have it. Your very own custom shirt ready to rock in 2025. Remember, the key to great designs is creativity and testing. If you run into any hiccups, check Roblox's support forums. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment below with your shirt ideas. What are you going to make first? See you in the next one.